One, tension. Without my help, you will chant go. Sit straight. Come on, Siddha. Ready? Start home. Inhale deeply. 2. Inhale deeply. 3. Relax. Before going to asanas, you should practice some loosening exercise. Yogic